Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. So today we're going to make gulab jamun. So let's get started. So first into a bowl we're going to take sugar. Now let us turn on the flame on high. And let us add some water. Now we are going to make this into a sugar syrup. We are going to let this come to boil. Meanwhile, let us take few cardamoms and crush it. And let us add it into the sugar syrup. Let us mix and let us boil it till the consistency is good. Now into a bowl we are going to take gulab jamun mix which we have taken from MTR. Now into this we are going to add some milk. And let us mix this. We will be adding the milk gradually. If you want, you can add some water into this. And we're going to knead this into a soft dough. Now we're going to make small round balls out of this. We are going to make it small as it is going to expand its size when it comes in contact with the sugar syrup and the oil while frying it. So we are going to put some oil into our palms. Take a bit of the dough and we are going to make this into a round shape. We are going to do this with the rest of the dough. There should be not any cracks. And now let us take a pan, turn on the flame on medium. And now into this goes some oil for deep fry. And we're going to let this get heated only for a bit. Now into this we're going to add the dough which we have prepared. And slowly we are gonna just lift it up with the help of the spoon. And we are gonna let this come to golden brown in color. We are gonna stir this for some time. Once it is done, you can take this into a bowl or a plate. And let us repeat the process. And now we can transfer this into the sugar or syrup once it is all cold. And we're going to let this soak overnight so that it will be perfect. And it is ready to be served. Enjoy this beautiful dish. This is really tasty and mouth-watering. Do try it out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.